Hello, good morning students. I'm again present here to take your online classes of class 6 maths. And today I am going to start your topic estimation or a rounding off. So what is the estimation? You might have heard a statement like around 900 people enjoyed the music concert, around 30,000 people watched the Prime Minister's speech on YouTube, and around 5,000 people gathered in a political meeting. In the above examples, the exact number of people present for the particular event is not known. It is unknown. It is the only general idea about the gathering in each case. This is called the estimation. So first we discussed about estimation to the nearest. There are three steps to estimate nearest 10. The first step is, first you have in the given number examine the digits at one place. If you have to estimate 10, nearest 10, you have to examine the ones digit. Let's take an example. Step 2. If the digit at one places is less than 5, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, then replace it by 0 and the other digit remain unchanged. Other digit 2, 4 is unchanged. This is the nearest 10 or 243. And step 3, if your ones place digit is equal to 5 or more than 5, just like 6, 7, 8, 9, the digit also be interchanged by 0 and rest number should be increased by 1. Same as if you have to find your estimate or a nearest 100, then you have to follow the same process. Then estimate to the nearest 100. Then your step 1 should be, in the given number examine the digits and at ones tens places. In estimate nearest 10 you have to examine ones places, but in nearest 100 you have to examine at tens places. Next one example, 4263. You have a number 4263. Then step 2, if the digit at 10 places is less than 5, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, the digit will be interchanged by 0 instead of 6. This is the 10th places, the digit will be 0 and your ones places also be changed in a 0 and rest your digit should be same. And if you have another number 3649, then if your tens digit 89, if your tens digit is equal to or greater than 5, this will interchange by 0 and one place also interchange by 0 and the rest of the digit increased by 1. So note down in your copy. The next is estimate 1000. You have to follow same process. First step, you have to examine digit at 100 place. If you want to estimate to the nearest 1000, you have to examine its 100 places. And examples: 2645, 26,453. Then you have to examine the 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. This is your 100 place digit. If your 100 place digit is less than 5, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, the 100 place digit will be interchanged by 0, and your tens digit or ones digit also should be changed in a 0, and the rest of the digit remain same. But if you have a number (45,936) and your 100 places is greater than or equal to 5, like 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 will be interchanged by 0. Unit place and 10 place also will be 0, but your 1000 place will be increased by 1, and the other digit remain same. So this is your estimation classes. I hope you understood the estimation classes. Then your next topic is estimation in sum or difference. If you have to sum or of estimate number, then take an example: 467 and plus 532. You have to estimate this number as the nearest 10. And first we have to change both number in a nearest 10. Then you know that if we have to change as a nearest 10, we have to examine ones place. And ones place is 7, that is more than 5, and it should be interchanged by 0, and the tens place increased by 1, and other digit should be remain. And here ones place is 2, which is less than 5, so it will be interchanged by 0, and other digit should be remain. After that we can add, we will get the result. Let's take another examples. If we have a number 12,780 plus 2,888. Let's round off to the nearest 1000. First, we know that if we have to round off to the nearest 1000, we have to examine its 100 places. So 12,780 is rounded off examine the 100 plus 7, which is more than 5. So it will be interchange in 0, and another tens and ones place also interchange in 0, and 1000 places will be increased by 1, and other digit will be remain same as 2888. It's rounded off to 3000. Now add will be 16,000. Let's take one example from difference. If you have a number 648 minus 234, find the estimate difference. And see, we have to find out estimate difference as a nearest 100. So first we examine the tens digit. The tens, so 648 is rounded off to 600, because this 10 digits 4 is less than 5, and 234 is rounded off to 200, because its 10th digit 3 is less than 5, so 3 and 4 we interchange as a 0, and 2 will be same. Then estimate difference is equal to 600 minus 200 is equal to 400. So I hope you will complete your exercise 1.3. I will teach your next topic brackets in your next class.